Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are keeping yourselves safe at home. Here I'm back to teach you computers. But before proceeding, I would like to discuss the answers of the questions which I had given you in your 10th assignment. Have a look.
Now children, see, this is how you have to write down in your notebook. At the topmost, you have to write down 10th homework, and at the left side, you have to write down the date on whichever date you are working this work. Next line, you have to write down chapter number, that is chapter 1. And in the next line, you have to write down the chapter's name, that is computer and electronic
device.
machine. Now come to the next line. Here is the first question. Name the following. 2 input devices. Now children, what are the 2 input devices? Yes, keyboard, mouse. The next question is 2 output devices. Now tell, what are the 2 output devices we have studied? Yes, monitor, printer. Now come to the next question. Question number 2. What are the 4 basic functions of computer? Now children, as I've told you that there are 4 basic functions of a computer. They are input, processing, output and storage. Yes. Here comes our next question, question number 3. Write any 2 points of differences between computer and man. Here you have to draw a line and then you have to write down computer here, and here you have to write down man. Now here we'll write down about the computers. First, computer is a man-made thing. Computer is a man-made thing. It is made by man. Next is man is made by God. This is the first difference between a computer and a man. Now come to the next point. Computer does not get tired. Computer never gets tired while working. Whereas man gets tired after some time. Man can get tired after some time. Children, you can write down any differences from your book. You can find out the answer from your book also. Okay children, so this is your book. Open page number 12. But before proceeding, let us recall what we have studied in our previous video. We have studied about machines, electronic and mechanical machines. Next, we have studied that computer is an electronic machine which works on our instructions. Next, we have studied about the functions of computer. Input, processing, output and storage. These are the functions of computer. Next, we have studied about CPU. That CPU is the brain of the computer. The next topic we have discussed is differences between computer and man. Hope that you all have understood all these topics very well and have paid attention while watching the video.
The topic which I am going to discuss with you today is advantages and disadvantages of computer. So, I'll begin with advantages of computer, which means benefits or the good side of computer. So, let's begin.
Computer has many advantages. Some of them are listed below. First one is speed. Computer is a fast calculating device. It operates large amount of data. It does processing at a very high speed. It performs millions of calculations in just few seconds. Now children, the first advantage of a computer is speed.
Children, do you know that a computer works very fast? It does all the work calculations at a very high speed. Any work can be done in minutes or seconds by a computer.
The next advantage is accuracy. Computer does all type of calculations. It does arithmetical as well as logical calculations. It gives 100% accurate results.
Children, a computer can do difficult calculations in seconds with accurate answers. Here, accurate means without making any mistake.
Here comes the next advantage, storage capacity. A computer has a huge storage capacity. The storage capacity of a computer is much bigger than a human being. Megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte are the storage capacity units of a computer.
Children, a computer can store a lot of data and information. That's why a computer has a huge storage capacity.
Next is multimedia. Computer can also be used as an entertainment device. You can record your voice and play it. You can also play computer games by using game CDs. You can play various multimedia applications such as music, video, etc.
Children, do you know that computer is a multimedia device? Means we can play games, can listen to music and can watch movies on it.
Now children, turn on to page number 14. Next advantage is given as teaching and learning. Computers are also used in teaching and learning process. You can also use internet to prepare the lessons or tests. Teaching learning can also be done by using educational CDs.
Nowadays, computers are widely used for teaching and learning. We can also use internet on a computer to prepare the lesson and can access information on any topic.
Okay children, till now we have discussed about the advantages of computer. Now it's time to discuss about the disadvantages of computer. Disadvantages means the bad side of a computer. Let's read out the first disadvantage of a computer. First is effect on environment. Printing large amount of data or emails creates wastage of paper. It increases the need of cutting down the trees. If computer is on without any work, it leads to wastage of electricity. Children, do you know that papers are made with the help of trees? And printer is used to take out the data on the paper. It increases the use of paper. It means it increases the need of cutting down the trees as well. And children, as you all know that computer is an electronic machine and it works on electricity. If someone is not working on computer and the computer is still on, means it leads to wastage of electricity.
Which means computer production and computer waste are harmful for the environment.
Now, the next disadvantage of a computer is that it affects on health. Continuous usage of computer may strain our eyes. Sitting for a long time may cause back pain. You may have hearing problems by using headphone continuously.
Children, if you work on a computer for so long, it can cause health problems. Working on computer for so long can damage our eyes, can cause back pain and so on.
Now the next disadvantage is virus attack. Like human beings, computer also gets sick. It is due to the computer viruses. Viruses enter the computer from infected CDs, pen drives or through internet. Now children, when a virus attacks on our body, we fall sick. We are not able to do any work because we do not feel well and we have to go to the doctor. The same way, computer also gets sick. Why? Because of the computer viruses. Do you know what is a computer virus? Computer virus is a program. When it enters into the system, it corrupts or damages data and slows down the computer.
Virus can damage the data and information stored in a computer. It affects the computer's normal working and can disturb it while working.
Next one is cybercrime. The act of misbehaving with others using computer and internet is termed as cybercrime. It includes the following: tampering others' information, breaking password of others, sending unwanted emails to others, posting unwanted messages on social media.
Now, children, do you know what does tampering mean? Tampering means without permission. When we access or take out others' information on computer without his or her permission, it is termed as cybercrime. Means the crimes committed using computers are known as cybercrimes.
Okay, children, it is time to go through a quick recap. Let us understand what we have studied till now. Advantages of computer: speed, accuracy, storage capacity, multimedia, teaching and learning are the few advantages of computer. Next, we have studied about the disadvantages of computer: effect on environment, effect on health, virus attack, cyber crimes are the disadvantages of computer.
Okay, children, this is now for today, and here we have come to the end of chapter 1. In our next video, we are going to do the exercises given in your book. Till then, go through the chapter and read it out again and again.
I just hope that you all have understood the chapter and paid attention while watching the video. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home and complete your work.